Magandang araw mga Suki! So today, I do have virtual interview, that's why I'm looking like this. No makeup look. But before we get started and get online, of course, we have to eat brunch because it's already 12. And bago tayo kumain, kukuha muna tayo ng water. So, I'll be using this Yeso car cup. This is 1,200 ml. And pwede siya sa tap and cold water. This is cold car cup kasi yung standard size niya is kasya dun sa lalagyan ng cup dun sa car. Definitely. So, we do have refrigerator downstairs but I don't want to disturb our baby sleeping. Yung baby dito sa bahay. So, kukuha tayo ng water sa third floor. Tara, tingnan natin kung gaano kadaming tubig yung malalagay natin dito. This is water Nakalagay lang siya sa Sprite. Kaya natin ng tubig. And the phone is inside the fridge. Grabe. O, ayan. So, 1.5 to. May natira pang onti. Ganun siya kadami. Para hindi na ako pabalik-balik dito. Let's go back to the room. Mission accomplished. So, this is perfect sa mga nag-work from home dyan, sa mga katulad ko na hindi nabubuhay na walang tubig maghapon, para hindi na ako pabalik-balik. So, yung bote ng Sprite na may tubig is 1.5. May 1.5. 1.5 ml. So, may natira lang siyang onte kasi this is 1,200 ml. So, to drink, push mo lang yan. Yay! I'm ready to start my day. So, kung gusto nyo ng ganitong cup, click nyo lang yung yellow basket sa baba. Or you can also visit my page and click nyo yung yellow basket. Maraming klaseng Yeso cup. And ang gaganda nila lahat. Very useful. Yun lang mga Suki. Salamat!